Have you ever wondered what actually happens if you sneeze and fart at the exact same time? Most doctors say it is impossible, but if you force it, the pressure waves collide in your spine, triggering your body's factory reset buttons. This confuses your nervous system, causing it to take a literal screenshot of your current existence. Your body will freeze while the image saves. A hard copy of your soul will then print from your mouth slot. Just be careful. If you blink during the screenshot, you will be compressed into a JPEG and lose your third dimension forever.